Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? We're about to be going to Beto's today. We're gonna be taking the Silverado. Today I'm about to be going out there and having him install this new AC condenser, man. This thing has already taken out 2 AC condensers, and now I'm about to have him throw the third one in there and fix whatever the is rubbing here. Hopefully he can fix it and get it to where shit ain't rubbing and touching and we don't lose AC, because it has been like 100 degrees out here, man, and not having AC is killing me. So I want to get my AC hooked back up, get this shit blowing cold, ride around with the windows up, slap bumping, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that. I want to be comfortable in Silverado, man. I want to be on, yo, you feel me? AC on, man. They want to hit it. They want to hear the infamous NRG ding. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on, nah, my shit didn't ding, yo. We gotta make this thing ding. Oh, what that was about. There we go. Well, this will be the last day, hopefully, of rolling these down when we get some AC in here. All right, quick stop though, Riley. Just want to grab some of this AC refill shit. Probably only need one of these. All right, so I decided to get 2 of these because remember, White Aaron still needs to fill up the G35 with AC once it's back together. So whatever we don't use, I also have an extra one for the G. All right, we just pulling up here. Look, my nigga got a horse. We at El Beto compound, the La Coca headquarters. What's good, boy?
How you doing?
Shit, nothing much. What you over here working on?
Doing a 12-inch lift kit.
Oh, that's that big ass spacer thing for?
All that shit.
Looks like my Mustang parts I had powder coated.
Yeah.
That's good, boy.
Sorry, bro.
Looks exactly the same. Man, he probably seen my video and was like, hey, I want that shit he did.
Same color?
Exact same color.
Like 10 years, bro. This color.
Nah, he swagger jacked me. I did it first.
Shit.
Hey, it's all about who got proof on video now. All right, this is a new AC condenser. Hopefully it's the right one. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully it don't rub through again. If it don't work, we'll mount it outside the car. Fuck it. It's too hot out here to not have AC, boy. We're gonna try to bend it on.
About to find out.
Oh, man, that should. You know what? We can probably bend this. It's mounted to this.
Yeah, no, we'll figure it out right now.
Start yanking shit. We finished it all up. No more hot air. We actually got some cold AC blowing. You know what I'm saying? So those little cans are the truth.
All the bolts are tight.
If y'all need AC done, Beto does AC now.
No AC.
But yes, it's actually blowing cold now, so that's for sure a good thing. About to jump on the freeway, roll the windows up. Drop this off. Alright, let's take a quick peek at this thing. Man, we firing up tomorrow or what?
Hopefully. Yeah, we should have everything. A lot of it, actually, yeah.
I forgot how big this damn exhaust was.
It's fucking cool.
But yeah, here y'all go. Quick little look at the SC. But I got other stuff to do today. Alright, we out. On to the second part of what I need. Alright, so we're about to be heading back out now. About an hour drive home. And then I'm actually going to drop the C6 off at Sax Speed Shop today. That way they can rebuild my trans and get that all taken care of. It's been a minute since I drove my C6. I had to go in there and grab this because when I drop this off, this is going to be going to Sax Speed Shop also to get installed. This is a new short shifter. It's the one Ray recommended. Guess it's his fave. And then I have the trans girdle. It's like a little cage that goes all the way around the transmission, connects the trans and the diff all together as one. That way, when you do break a gear or you break something, it doesn't take out the casing with it. Very, very important for Corvette. I have it on the C5, and we damn sure put it on the C6. I already broke 2 transmissions, and all I need is to lose the casing with it, so that'll prevent that. I plan on taking this thing down to SoCal as soon as this transmission's done. I'm gonna drive down there and I'm gonna race kicks and I'm gonna race through. I'm for sure gonna try to make that happen for y'all sometime next month. If it doesn't happen next month, the following month, but I guarantee you, I promise you that I'm gonna be driving down there and I'm gonna get those runs in for y'all. And then if I get gapped, then I'll come back with the SE and get my revenge. Play the bully. So today, man, we got a lot of running around to do, so we're going to be on the go a lot today. Today, I'm about to be dropping off the C6 over to Sac Speed Shop. I'm going to show you a few things on that in a second, and SOB Rick is also going to be coming to pick up the swing stang. So you guys remember a few videos ago, I went and got some Edelbrock RPM heads for the swing stang. So I was going to say today we're going to be getting them on. Scatterbrain, I'm trying to hurry up because Rick's on his way, but I'm going to be taking that. Rick's going to be taking the swing stang. He's going to be doing the heads and all that stuff, and he's also going to be taking the C6 and stuff for me today. So me and Rick got a lot of running around to do today, man. Also, there seems to be some confusion on a few things. I had addressed it on Instagram, but I'm going to address it on here too. So this isn't a surprise to anybody that's been following. You guys have been keeping up. You guys remember when I first picked this thing up right here, you know what I'm saying, before it was green, back when it had the freaking tree and ivy growing through the freaking shifter hole, going all through the dash and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We talking about back then. So you guys remember that Rick is one who helped me get this car first started. Once it was running, Rick pulled this motor out of here, and Rick is the one who reassembled this motor, did the head cam package. Let me pop it real quick. So Rick did the head, the cams, the trick flow top end kit, head studs. We did the head gaskets and everything, obviously, because we have to do the heads. We put a girdle on here with the ARP hardware to keep the block together from splitting. Rick is the one who assembled this motor. It went to the shop to get the turbo kit installed and the wiring and stuff done. Other than that, as far as the motor goes, Rick is the one who, you know what I'm saying, put this thing together and ran through it and made sure everything was good. And to this day, it's still holding up. So that's why when it came to the swing stang, I was like, you know what? Rick did the head cam package on here. Why not have him do it on the swing stang for me? Since he did a fantastic job on here, obviously I don't have any problems with him, you know, knocking it out. Plus D has my 6.4 stang right now, so he's super tied up with that. That's a whole little thing in its own with that car, man. So I don't want to be taking him the swing stang, then 6.4 is there, then I'm picking up the 6.4, then we're doing the LS swap in this or whatever. Like, things are gonna be getting crazy in the next couple months because we are about to be turning it up. So, you know, it's gonna be a lot of moving around and stuff going on, but for the most part, we're gonna have Rick do the heads and everything on the swing stang for us. That way we can get that knocked out and we can get back to drifting, man. You guys know that the swing stang is my primary drift car, so I really need to get that thing done before the season's over because I want to get some testing and stuff done with it. I want to take it back down to SoCal because I still feel like I need to conquer the Grange track. When I went out there with the 300ZX, it's like, second day we did better, but I don't feel like I've conquered that track yet. So that's what the swing stang is going to be for. Everything's set up for it, and we're going to be going to conquer that track hopefully as soon as it's done. But with all that being said, waiting for Rick to come, first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be dropping off the C6. So if you've seen the last video where we got the G35 started up for the first time, I actually drove the Corvette over there. I drove it there, everything was cool, and then I drove it home, everything was cool. Came out to go get some food last night, and there's trans fluid all over the damn driveway. If you look right here, there's no trail anywhere on my block indicating that it was leaking prior to it getting parked. So I'm pretty sure this happened after I had parked it. Maybe a line cooled down and finally was decided to just be like, you know what I'm saying? Just, this is gonna be hard, man. This car is hella wide. Man, you see you're leaking?
You look like you're ready for another one. You get this one pregnant.
Jeez. definitely tranny fluid, but diff fluid wouldn't leak like that. It'd be all in one puddle still. All right, whew. So good news is it's on the trailer, it fits on here. The shitty news that I'm more hurt about is I was over here trying to protect the freaking carbon fiber lip, still managed to crack it, and even worse, freaking broke those. See the piece right in there? I'm more hurt about the side skirts than the lip, actually.
At this point now.
We just put this lip on there too. Look at my lip. Look at my lip. These aren't like the side skirts that they offer on eBay. You know, the little cheapy ones you can get. These are specific for this wide body kit. That's why they're like extra wide. So it's like you can't even get a cheaper option. But it ain't that.
You could just replace all of it with eBay shit.
Nah, cause then it doesn't meet up over there to the wheel well arch. See how that shit, you feel me? The mud flap connects over to the side skirt. Tragic. All loaded up. Now we about to head out to Saxby shop, so be back with y'all shortly.
You wanna leave the windows down?
Yep. Oh. Hi, we here. Saxby shop, getting ready to get this thing unloaded. Stop stretching like you just had the longest nap of your life.
Oh.
What up, Cup?
What's up, gangster?
What up, Blood? What up, Cup? What we doing today? Blood and cutting or what? Which one?
Crippin' today,
We're crippin' today? Alright, Cup. Big crippin' Cup. Nigga, Sue, woo.
About the car or what?
Yo. Nice, nice. Supercharger. We got the big red right there on the intercooler. It's also a Pro Charger unit. It's not an ANA. Sexy, sexy. Okay, I see you. The Nitos. CCW Classics. You fire, bro. You fire.
It didn't break. Oh, that's the fucking hood. Get it back on that motherfucker? I don't even know this shit recorded. You don't even want to look at it no more. He's trying to pull it in there. I'm gonna cuss like a motherfucker on this ass nigga's GoPro so that way he can't post this shit up and make any fucking money on this. Or he's gonna have to beat me the fuck out. I'm just cussing non-stop so you can't post this shit. You got something to say to the camera? Just cuss, bro.
That nigga Mike. Oh, hey, how you doing, Rick?
So before we leave, I want to show y'all this. Whew. Owner of this is from Oakland. This boy, He is beating they ass. This is stupid clean. Before I got the 6.4, I was actually looking for Cougars also. I like this. This color's fire too. We're back at the house. Round 2. About to load the swing thing up.
Ow! Why you hitting me?
This battery gonna be dead? Oh, we're good. Cranker. Yeah, electric joint. All right, one last look. This is the last time y'all get to see these stock heads on here. After this, no more stock heads, no more stock intake. All this gonna be gone.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's